everyone, my name is Linh. I'm 12 years old. Do you know the proverb, unity is strength? What does it mean? Unity is strength implies that if we stand together, we shall always be stronger mentally, physically, and emotionally. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and cooperation, wonderful things can be achieved. Some of the famous stories will explain this proverb. Let's see it together. What's going on with these colonial ants? How do the little ants get rid of the big animal? They unite into a ball and overcome danger. How wonderful! These intelligent and cuddly penguins just move get to the side of the iceberg to make the sharks surrender and laugh happily together. This firefly was not able to fly out of the deep cave because his weak light was not enough for him to see the cliff ahead. Poor firefly! The eagle's delicious meal has become its hero. Can't underestimate the claws of crabs, professional barbers. Children are taught the importance of standing united as a part of the moral science lesson. However, its importance is often overlooked. The world would be a better place if we inculcate this in our lives. Unity is very important for any team or group. Only when we are united, we can enjoy this taste of success. Unity is the essence of a group's happiness. A family called a family when the members live together. If we stand together, we can fight with any problem. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.